Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your phone heating while charging on the Honor 600 Lite 5G. So first, it is normal if you charge your device using fast charging. So I've got the charger right here. Now let's plug it in. And as you guys can see, we got the information that it's charging and now it's supercharging. So that means the phone is now charging at insanely fast speeds, and basically it's normal if it heats up a little. But first, what we're gonna check is the settings and of course the background apps. So go to battery. Now here in the battery, we got the battery usage right here, and we want to find some apps that are running in the background. So make sure that you can also change something in them. Sometimes they're just empty, but for an example, we're gonna click on screen dimmer. We got the launch settings, and here we want to make sure that it's not enabled to manage automatically. We want to disable it and turn everything off in the manage manually section. Now we're gonna do that for every single app that's running in the background, so it's pretty much up to you depending on what apps you use. And after that, what you guys want to do is make sure that you use original charger and the cable, because some chargers are just not compatible. Also, you can try switching up the outlets and see if that changes the outcome, but make sure that you avoid using your phone while charging it. So for example, don't play games on it, don't watch YouTube, Netflix, and etc. So this is the first thing. Now if you got a case on this phone, if something's just protecting here, then basically the heat might be trapped under here. So we want to simply get the case off, and after that we want to make sure that we charge our phone in a cool and ventilated area, so we do not charge it in a straight sun, because we all know that it can not only destroy the battery but also heat up our phone like crazy. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.